show you how to make a really easy any fruit cobbler. So that means whatever fruit you have on hand, you can use in this cobbler. It's really versatile, and I love it because, you know, I always have a lot of pears on hand. And so I'm going to be using pears, but any fruit really will work. The citrus fruits, if you're using oranges, you need to mix it in with something else as well, like maybe cranberries or some sort of berries. But I'm using pears. I'm going to throw a few cranberries in there just because I love cranberries. And I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. Okay, first of all, you need to start out with a pan. I'm going to use this about 11 by 9 inch pan. You want to add one melted stick of butter, which is a half a cup. And you're going to put that right in the pan. Then you want to add a cup of milk right into the pan. You're going to need a cup of sugar. Sprinkle it right in there into the pan. You're going to need a cup of flour. Also sprinkle that right into the pan. You'll need a teaspoon of baking powder. Gonna need a dash of salt. Which a dash, I guess, is about an eighth of a teaspoon. Then I'm going to mix that up. Okay, that doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to need a quart of fruit, so that's 4 cups of fruit. And I'm going to add a little bit of cranberries in with mine. You do need to drain your fruit if you have any kind of water in it. Just pour that fruit right on top. Cut up a few of my pears that are a little bit bigger. I just did like slices. So spread it out over the top of your batter. Sort of spread the fruit a little evenly if possible there. I like to sprinkle it also with some cinnamon and sugar on the top. You can do that to taste. We're not going to mix this up. We're not going to stir it. We're going to put your fruit over the batter, and what's going to happen when it cooks, it's going to the batter will bubble up between it, and it will rise to the top. So we're going to put this in a preheated oven at 350 for 1 hour. So this has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Thanks for joining us.